Hey guys! The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will be slightly larger than the original S21. Samsung's next mid-range phone could be close to launch. Thanks to unofficial renders from reliable leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, on Leaks, we have our first look of what the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will look like. As you might expect for a phone that's the fan edition of the Galaxy S21, the handset bears a striking similarity to its inspiration, with the same central pinhole selfie camera, and traffic light style triple camera array. The key difference, Hemmerstoffer says, is in the camera bump itself, which is integrated into the phone's shell, unlike the S21's, which extended from the handset's metal frame. While the array looks similar, the fact that it's built into the frame means the end of the two-tone design found on the Galaxy S21. In other words, you can expect the camera hump to come in the same shade as the glasstic casing. According to previous leaks, that's a choice between light green, white, gray, purple or pink handsets. We'd previously heard that the Galaxy S21 FE could improve on the S21 family with the same 32MP front-facing camera found on the S20 FE. However, Hemmerstoffer makes no mention of camera specs, other than to suggest the rear cameras will feature likely downgraded lenses due to the anticipated cheaper price. When you have both phones in your hands, one key difference will be immediately obvious: the S21 FE is quite a bit larger. Hemmerstoffer says that the S21 FE will be 4mm taller and 3.3mm wider than the S21, though both share the same thickness. This translates into a larger screen, 6.4 inches, compared to the S21's 6.2-inch display. In terms of cost, Hemmerstoffer says it'll be in the circa $700 range, which sounds right, given it matches the launch price of the Galaxy S20 FE from last October. While he doesn't have anything to share with regards to release date, the early arrival of the S21 in January has many speculating that the fan edition will be bumped up as well, with a possible August release date previously mooted. That could see it unveiled alongside Samsung's new foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3, though it's possible that the company will want to keep these announcements apart, given the different markets each handset targets. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more leaks, rumors, and news.